Hello, you. It's time for circle. Here comes the alphabet train. Choo-choo, chick-chick-chick-chick. A, alligator. Bye-bye, alligator. B, balloons. 1, 2, 3 balloons. Bye, balloons. B. C, cat. Bye-bye, cat. D, dog. Bye-bye, doggy. E, elephant. Hold on, elephant. F, froggy. Hop, hop, froggy. G, goat. Bye-bye, goat. Bye. H, horse. Hi, horsey. Bye-bye, horsey. I, inchworm. Bye-bye, inchworm. J, jellyfish. Hold on, jellyfish. K, for kangaroo. Hop, hop, kangaroo. L, for lobster. Yum. Bye, lobster. M, for mountains. Oop, there goes the mountain. N, for number 9. 9. O, for hoo-hoo, owl. Bye, owl. Hoo-hoo. P, for people. There goes our people. Q, for quail. Beep, beep, quail. R, for robot. Goodbye, robot. S, for spider. Look out, the spider. T, for tree. There goes the tree. U, for umbrella. Hold on to your umbrella. V, for violin. Violin. W, for whale. Whale. X, for xylophone. There you go, xylophone. Y, for yo-yo. There goes the yo-yo. And Z, for zebra. Well done! Hello, crows. What are you up to today? 5 crows sitting in a row. 1 flew away, and that left 4. 4 crows sitting in a row. 1 flew away, and that left 3. 3 crows sitting in a row. 1 flew away, and that left 2. 2 crows sitting in a row. 1 flew off, and that left 1. 1 crow sitting all alone. Crow flew away, and that left none. Let's find all the shapes in my toy box. Say go, go, go. A ball is a circle. Go, go, go. A top is a diamond. Go, go, go. Teddy bear has a heart. Go, go, go. A balloon is an oval. Here's all of our shapes. The oval, the heart, the circle, and the diamond. Well done! Let's learn colors. Do you know what color this one is? Guess. Yes, you're right. It's blue. What color is this one? Yes! Yes! You're right! It's pink. What color is this one? Yes! You're right! It's yellow. What color is this one? Yes! You're right again. It's red. Here comes another color. Guess. Yes, you're right. It's purple. Good job learning colors.
Goodbye.